The case of the perfect water park.
We're on a mission to solve the mystery of how safe water parks are built and designed.
Helps pick safe and fun rides and explains how slides and attractions might look and work in the future.
How does ADG decide if a client's idea will work?
Make sure there are feasibility studies done to make sure it's a viable product to build a water park.
ADG has over 50 years of experience. What sets ADG apart from others when it comes to working with clients?
Obviously, it's a very long process, but I think it starts even before designing a water park. You really have to know your client and know your client's guests, and so we start really figuring out what their guests want and what they need, and then going from there we start designing. We do design iterations to really hone in on what our client's vision is.
The planning team turns ideas into clear plans and visuals so teams and customers can understand what the final water park will look like.
How does the planning team work at ADG?
That we're talking with them about how they're going to do their engineering drawings to make sure it becomes real and it's not just a big idea. And then when we go to construction, we're also there to help supplement the construction teams and the project managers and the owners in doing basic things like selecting finishes and colors and all that, but also when we do our artistic rock work and all that, we're there to help guide everyone to make sure that it looks and feels like the way it's supposed to.
3D designers create digital models of slides and attractions so engineers can test them before they are ever built.
How do you take a flat drawing or illustration and turn it into a 3D model that you can actually see and explore?
I'm making it come to life and bringing it into 3D and actually visualizing how the model looks.
Let's go behind the scenes to the warehouse and check out the operations and engineering.
Water parks don't happen on accident. They're created by teams like ADG Work.